वालेकुम अस्सलाम आफिया। वालेकुम अस्सलाम आयब। वालेकुम अस्सलाम ज़ारा। वालेकुम अस्सलाम उमैमा। वालेकुम अस्सलाम अबीरा। वालेकुम अस्सलाम अस्किया। Have you done your breakfast, everyone? वालेकुम अस्सलाम शबिस्ता। Yes, everyone done your breakfast? Yes, very good. Yes, Umaima. That is yes, dear. You can show me afterwards that. Yes, very good. Once we'll finish our writing work, then show me your notebooks, okay? Okay. We'll wait for 2 minutes. Let your friends join the session. Yes, Abira, very good. Columns in your book. 4 columns. You have to make 4 columns, okay? Draw 3 lines. There will be 4 columns. Come on, ready, everyone? Yes. Now I'll share you the video, okay? Teacher video share कर दे आपको. You have to write along with that video. वीडियो के साथ साथ आपको लिखना है, okay? Or you can take help of your mama. आपको ममा फर्स्ट लाइन लिख के देंगे, then you have to continue, okay? See here. Now we are okay. So first of all, we are going to write date. Which date is today? Today is 17. So write here 1717. That is 17 July. Okay. Now 17 July. Write today's date first. Make 4 columns. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. Mehek, I'm telling you for the last time, don't do anything on the screen. Come on. Now we'll start. Yes. So first we are going to write cursive capital E. Okay. You have seen in the video now how to write cursive capital E and cursive small e. Cursive capital E, cursive small e. And in the next column also you have to write cursive capital E, cursive small e. Okay. In 2 columns you have to write the same alphabet. Tell your mama to write the first line. Okay. आप मम्मा की हेल्प ले सकते हो. ओके. Now everyone will read and write. Okay. You have to make 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in 2 columns you have to write cursive capital E and small e. Small cursive e. Okay. Write neat and clean. you have to start with this blue line. Curve, capital cursive E, small cursive E. Small cursive E will be only in the blue line. Okay, we have to start from this line and curve and on this line only. Don't go out of the line. Okay, write properly in line. Capital cursive E, small cursive E. Zavi, where is your notebook? Capital cursive E, small cursive E. E for elephant. Capital cursive E, small cursive E.
Aliza.
Capital cursive E, small cursive
Erase that,
E.
Aliza.
Capital cursive E, small cursive E. Capital cursive E,
Habiba, where is your
small
notebook?
cursive E. Okay, like this. Again,
Habiba.
on the next column, we have to write the same thing. Capital cursive E, small cursive E.
Askia, what you are doing on the screen?
Capital cursive E, small cursive E. 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 Okay, so like this we have completed alphabet E. Now which alphabet will come after E? F. Okay, so F we are going to write in these two columns. Okay, start with this column. Capital F, small f. See carefully, you have to start with this blue line. Curve. This is the small f, cursive small f. Okay, capital F, capital cursive F,
Small cursive
small
F.
cursive F. Capital cursive F, small cursive F. Capital cursive F, small cursive F.
Capital cursive F. Small cursive F. Capital cursive F. Small cursive F. Anaya Thakur. Capital cursive F. Small cursive F. Very good, Mariam Rahman. Capital cursive F. Small cursive F. Capital cursive F. Small cursive F.
Now in the next column, same thing. Okay, capital cursive F, small cursive F.
Very good,
Capital
Tasmeen.
cursive F,
Completed. Very good.
small cursive F. Capital cursive F, small cursive F. Capital cursive F, small cursive F.
capital cursive F, small cursive f, 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 capital cursive F, small cursive f. Like this
We have completed capital cursive E, small cursive E, and capital cursive F and small cursive F. Okay? Yes, very good, Zara.
have completed cursive E and cursive F. Okay, so we have completed one page. Now we are going to open a new page. Okay.
Okay. After completing this, very good, Ayat. Afra, where is your notebook? Yes. Rahmatunisa, turn on your video. Yes. Hafsa, you have written? Completed. Very good. Are not completed? Why? You'll complete it afterwards. नहीं आ रहा है. You'll do the practice ना. Dear, practice करोगे आप आ जाएगा आपको. Yes, you'll do the practice ना. Yes, very good. Afra, sit properly. Farin, yes, very good. Okay, now next page. Okay, we have to write next page. Shall I start? Shall we start now? Next page. Yes, Ayat, very good. Now, after F, which alphabet will come after F? G. Okay? Come on.
Now on the next page, first thing what we are writing date. So write today's date, that is 17/7, that is month of July. Okay. Now which alphabet will come after F?
G.
G. Okay, G for grapes, G for gun, G for goat. Okay, so start with this blue line. Capital cursive G, small cursive G. Okay, look carefully. Start with this blue line, then curve. Capital cursive G, small cursive G. In next column, same alphabet we are going to write. Capital cursive G, small cursive G. Okay, so we have to complete this full page. Capital G, small g. Next line, same thing. Capital cursive G, small cursive G. Capital cursive G, small cursive G.
Azkia.
Capital cursive G, small cursive G. Write properly in line. Okay, don't go out of the line. Capital
capital
cursive
cursive G,
G,
small
small cursive
cursive
G.
G,
Capital
capital
cursive
cursive
G,
G,
small
small
cursive G. Capital cursive
G,
G,
small
small cursive
cursive G,
G. Capital
capital
cursive
cursive G,
G, small
small.
cursive G. Okay.
Wait, I'll show you how to write the G. Okay, let's have a look here. You'll get to know. Yes. See here, you have to start with this blue line, then curve till the below blue line. Okay, then downward curve, and then once again curve. Okay, like this you have to write G. Capital cursive G, then small cursive G. Have a look here. Then till the red line, and then curve. Okay, now how to write H? See, H start with the blue line, this is capital cursive H, and this is small cursive H. Okay, see, you have to start with this blue line, the red line, and then curve downward to the blue line, and from red line to blue line, one standing line, and then curve. And for the small edge, start with this second blue line till the red line, then curve, and then curve to the blue line. Okay, once again start with the blue line, H, capital cursive H, and then here small cursive H. Okay, so we have completed the first line now. Yes, now we are going to write the
Now next column, next line we are going to write capital cursive G, small cursive G. Capital cursive G, small cursive G. Capital cursive G, small cursive G.
Habiba. Where is the notebook?
Capital cursive G, small cursive G. Capital cursive G, small cursive G. Capital cursive G, small cursive G.
Askia, writing now. Very
Capital
good.
cursive G, small cursive G.
Ayat completed.
Capital cursive G,
Very good.
small cursive G. Okay, so now we have completed alphabet G. Now which alphabet will come after G? Yes, H.
H.
So now we are going to write alphabet H. Okay, we'll start with this blue line. Capital H, small h. Capital cursive H, capital cursive H, small cursive h. Okay. H for hat, H for horse, H for hen, H for house. Okay. In the next column, same thing we are going to write. Cursive capital H, cursive small h. We'll start now. Cursive capital H, cursive small h. Cursive capital H, cursive small h.
Cursive capital H, cursive small h. Cursive capital H, cursive small h. Cursive capital H, cursive small h. Cursive capital H, cursive small h. Cursive capital H, cursive small h.
Cursive capital H, cursive small h. Now the last column for today. Cursive capital H, cursive small h. Cursive capital H,
Parin completed. Very
cursive
good.
small h. Cursive capital H, cursive 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 small h. The last line for today, cursive capital H, cursive small h. So we have completed alphabet G and H.
Yes, Aliza completed. Very good. Very good, Zara Maruf. Wait for a second. Yes. Yes, Tasmin, very good. Yes, Alizan Ware, very good. Read and write, everyone.
Capital H,
Capital G, small
Zara,
G.
wait for a second, okay?
पहले ये लिखिए तो वो लिखो.
Very good, Zara. Very nice.
लिखिए.
Very good.
Capital G, small G, capital G, small G, capital H, capital H,
Small S.
small
Very
H,
good. Ayat completed. Show me the book. Show me the book. Ayat.
Capital E, small E.
Ayat. It's blur looking blurred here.
जी कैसे लिख रहे हो आप? लिख देना जी, देखो
अफसा
बहुत रॉन्ग कर दे रहे हो यहाँ पे, कहाँ जा रही हो?
yes Mariam Rehman you're writing now
जरा बस बसू त्याचं करायचं मग दे करून दाखव.
okay so don't worry girls if you'll do the practice you'll be perfect okay आप practice करोगे तो आप perfect हो जाओगे and the alphabets that we have written today G E F G H है ना so that is same thing you have to do the homework also okay in maths we have written numbers name na numbers name 3 4 and 5 that is also you have to write one more time as a homework and the same alphabets cursive alphabets you have to write as a homework okay आप जितना practice करोगे उतना perfect हो जाओगे okay so don't worry don't take tension okay and रोना भी नहीं good girls हो आप लोग जैसे आता है इफ यू आर राइटिंग जैसे आते हैं वैसे लिखोगे तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ओके yes anything you want to ask anything no na any problem any issue any questions no very good okay now tell me which day is tomorrow and no okay oh okay Ayat okay chalo tell me which day is tomorrow yes tomorrow is Sunday will be holiday okay so enjoy your Sunday take rest but do the homework yes tomorrow is Sunday enjoy your Sunday but do the homework also okay you can do your homework today hai na in the evening and tomorrow you can enjoy the full Sunday okay we are going to meet on Monday inshallah okay okay now our session time is up we are going to meet on Monday okay inshallah Assalamualaikum everyone Allah Hafiz Assalamualaikum acha do one thing clap everyone for yourself clap everyone for yourself clap yes very good okay Assalamualaikum everyone Allah Hafiz Waalaikum Assalam Allah Hafiz